Hey, welcome back to the farm. We're out here in the kitchen garden, out here in some easy abundance. And I'm gonna give you a quick overview and show you what's growing. Then we're gonna do a little harvesting and we're gonna stake some tomatoes. So I've still not pulled a weed out of this whole garden. And I think it's like 12 by 20. And we'll go over everything we got going on. And I have fertilized. Last time that I was here, I fertilized everything, but I've not fertilized since then. But I did fertilize the zucchini and the squash, and we'll look at it. But you can look, we're gonna harvest some squash today. We got one not doing too good, but that's okay. Sometimes they do that. But the other ones look great, and we're gonna harvest that today, and I'll show you how we do it. We got the bell peppers here, and we got this one's full of bell peppers. Look at that. This one's full of bell peppers. Oh wow, that one's almost ready to harvest. I'm gonna let it go a day or two. And these have got just full of blooms. And these beans are full of blooms. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Our tomatoes, they are they're going wild. We're gonna stake these today, and I'll show you how we do that. Look at this big one right here. Look. See it? It's huge. Nice. I wish we had I'm about ready. Romas, the Romas, I have to check those since we've been down at the high tunnel. Yeah, they're doing great up. Oh shoot. Well, I'll get in trouble for that one. But no blossom in rot, so these are doing good. And then we're planting these black tomatoes. We got some free seeds, and they're turning black. So I'm interested to taste one of those. That's going to be interesting. We could take this and fry it if you wanted to. And the zucchini, it's doing good. And we're going to do some harvesting. And then out there on the edge, we got some, it's not blackberries, I just transplanted them in that pot. Some lavender, rosemary, some sweet mint, and some orange mint. And that's kind of to help with the mint will help with keep the bugs away. So let's swing over here and we're going to harvest all this squash and this zucchini. And I'll show you how we do that little trick here. But I've run a lot of good squash that way. I have some clippers, and I like to cut them off. That right there ain't no good. And if you see one that ain't no good, I just cut it off. and just let it go. But it's super easy. You can also take a knife and do it. But like I said, I've run a lot of good squash plants by just jerking and pulling. So if you're going to do it, take it and twist it. And usually when it gets later on in the year and the plants get old, I just twist it off because it doesn't matter yet. All right, so we're going to get this all harvested, and I'll show you what we got when we get through. And when I harvest zucchini, I do it the exact same way. I got my little snippers, and you can get these on Amazon. I think I got them for Christmas, but they're very inexpensive. That's beautiful. I said another one back there somewhere. All right, I want to show you how we stake our tomatoes, and we started using these down in the high tunnels, and it's just a step-in electric fence post, and it's pretty easy. I just find the root, or where we cut it at, kind of give it a shot, then I get down close and I really step on it. It has a, it's got like a two-pronged thing here, so if you, I put this towards the plant, and this way to give it a little extra strength, holding it up. And then I take some old baling wire, not baling wire. Let me replace that. Then I take some old hay baling string, and I just find where it is, and holy cow, this thing's loaded. And I'll weave it around. So I about waited too late to tie these up. Don't let yours get that bad. And but we've been down the high tunnel working really hard and trying to save that mess. And this right here this is a beautiful plant. So I'm just going to tie it around like this loosely. Now you don't want to tie it too tight and constrict growth. And the one good thing about this hay string is biodegradable, so you kind of see that how we done it. And might even tie up those peas and see how they do. So you can see, I mean, we got enough squash here to freeze for our family. Now this zucchini, we'll eat that fresh, or we might make a stir fry out of it. But this zucchini, I mean squash, there's enough there to freeze. You can start freezing that, and we freeze a lot. And this is one of the reasons we like the straight neck too. You get more of a uniform cutting there. Like when you get a crooked neck, you got like a fat body, and you got a long crooked neck, and I don't like it as well. So you can see the abundance here. You can see what kind of abundance we're fixing to have. We're gonna have beans, we're gonna have tomatoes and everything. It's crazy. Easy man's garden right here. And I missed a squash. I see it. I'm gonna go pick it in just a second. So this is an easy man's garden. Like I said, I've not spent 1 second weeding this garden. All I've done is planted. I prepped it, fertilized it, put the fabric down, planted my plants and seeds, and you can see what's going on here. It's crazy. I mean, you could even go out another 4 foot or so and put cucumbers out there, and I'm trying a bush cucumber. And I mean, you would have everything covered here for your whole family. So hope this was a help. Easy man's garden right here. Working man's garden, let's say that. It's an easy man's garden right here. Weed free, no fuss. And really, time you figure your cost, it's a kind of a low cost. So you got this weed fabric, but you use it year after year. So if you're going to the compost, you got to buy compost if you don't have your own, and it adds up quick. So this is a easy man, economical way to grow your own food. Hey, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. can't grow your own, support your local farmer. He'll be glad to. I'll be glad to see you some nice natural grown vegetables. Easy. This right here, I mean, I'd sell this whole thing for what would we sell this for? 10 bucks? Maybe $10. And we'll even throw in a little green tomato for free. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.